Okay, in this exercise we're going to show how the master off switch going to work. First we put few groups in our relay or dimmer unit. Okay, in the dimmer unit we just assign groups 1, 2, 3, 4, and we assign another group called master off. Okay, that's all we need to do there. Apply. Okay, to do the master off in the relay unit, we open the relay. Okay, we put the groups. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we go to then we go to turn on. What we have to do, we have to stagger, or say 8 levels, because we don't want all the outputs to turn off at the same time. Okay, and we make sure we put the same master off here. Apply. Okay, just program a switch to turn the lights on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's done as well. Okay, to assign a master off to a physical switch, you just open and switch. Okay, we assign the master off group there. And we go to key functions, change that to idle. We put ramp off here. Okay, and if you want to change the duration of ramp off, this ramp off is actually this ramp 2, so we can select this to be 4 seconds, 8 seconds, and we apply. Okay, to test the ramp off from the switch, first we turn the lights on. And this is our ramp up, you just hold it. And that's the ramp up working. The master off works on a relay unit. This is our relay unit, and we press the master off. The lights dim. There you go. Okay, to do this ramp off from a touch screen, we start a new project. Color touch screen, for example. Get our okay, all we need to do is drop a button there. And there is no ramp off in the touchscreen, we just use the off. We select our group, which is ramp master off. Okay. We save this project. Okay, we just save it. And then we want to test it. First we connect to CBus. And we turn our lights on. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I click on master off. There you go. Okay, to implement the master off in Visor, create a new blank project. Select Visor unit. Select master off. Next, finish. Just have to add a location, say 4. Function lighting. Okay. And widgets, we click on the widgets. Basically all we do here, we have to create a dummy unit, and we use the bell press, location, go hall, function, lighting, this group here. I'll just use this dummy group I've created. Okay, we're going to create a couple of lines of logic to do that. Say OK to that. Okay, then we open the logic editor. Create a module, call it NAS off. Okay, then here we can use the wizard. Okay, we select our dummy group. So if this dummy group is on, add next, then we set the CBOS level. It's going to be our master off to off position. Off level we can do instantaneously, or we can have it over number of seconds. Okay, we can select from here, choose 4 seconds for example, and then we say add and finish. Okay, this creates this logic for us. We can test the logic by clicking on the red tick button, and it's okay. So we can run the logic, say okay. Okay, before we check this, we have to make sure we save the project and then we transfer it to the Wiser unit. File, save as. Save this. Okay, next we transfer the project to the Wiser. Project to unit. Say okay. I already know the address, so use the fix IP. Okay, and we transfer it. Now it's finished transferring. Now we have to wait about a minute and a half, and then we can test it. Okay, before we test our project, make sure it's connected to the network by double clicking here, and then Control S. Control S. Okay, so we turn the lights on again. So I'll do the bit of filming. To check the dummy group, just run the program and make sure all the lights are on. Now we click on the dummy.